Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. This is me and this is our final run from the old house to the new house, and these two things are weeds that we just cut from the other side right there. So I thought it would be pretty fun to put them on my back like swords, and they kind of look like the Chinese puppets, or should I say the gods, that have that like whiskers on their heads. Here's a picture for reference, and also, as you guys can notice, my hands are pretty dirty from all of the stuff. And this time mostly all we have are containers and also some fans, some miscellaneous stuff that aren't too important, so that can be for the final round. So now let's bring you guys inside and show you guys how our house looks like, nearly all empty. There are still some small stuff that my dad's gonna come get with our own car, and let's try to get through. Okay, so this is the living room. As you guys can see, it is significantly cleaner than last time. There are only some smaller stuffs and also some toolboxes of my dad's. So he's gonna come get them with our car by himself. And also we borrowed the truck for one more time from our uncle. So just so coincidentally, they didn't need it today, so that was nice. And then yeah, he's gonna come get that maybe later or tomorrow. I'm not sure, but he's gonna come by himself since there are only small stuff and it's his stuff. So also we have some bike tires that we switched out from our old bikes, and then more bike items, cable housing, cable wires. So he's gonna come get that as well. This is some storage of his, some power tools. So this is the studio area of my dad's. There used to be a assembling station right here for our bikes and some of my friends' bikes to upgrade or to repair. And then this is just the hallway with, you know, sort of like a half storage area. And then moving on, let's go to the backyard. The backyard has a teeny tiny bit less of echo because it's an open space, and also because we have the back door open. So yeah, as you guys can see, we took away the sinks, and if you guys might notice, there's like a big black splotch, and then there's a line where the sink was. That splotch was the oil from the bicycle parts. So when we were washing them, the oil would splatter up, and then that's a stain that's going to be there for a very long time. And we also, as you guys can see, we also have some shelves. We're gonna take down some of them, but the rest we're just gonna leave it for the next people that live here. And then moving on, we have our bedroom. If you guys can notice, this wall is actually made from wood, and we set it up ourselves. It was actually an entire room. The living room, the hallway, and the bedroom, they were actually one entire room. But there was no bedroom originally, so we added this wall ourselves so that we had an extra bedroom. So as you guys can see, it is already completely empty right now, other than the shelves. So we might take some of them and leave the rest because we already have shelves at the new house. And then that's a replacement light that we don't need, so we might be giving it away or just discarding of it. And then again, the epic wall of pictures, wall of memories. Gonna miss that. But in the new house, we're gonna have a bunch of boxes of our pictures, and also, since it's the technology era, they've all been digitalized. So that is basically how our old house looks. So that's it for this video. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and do a tour of the master's bedroom in the new house and show you guys what it looks like right now. And of course, it is to be expected to be messy since, you know, the stuff are still being cleaned. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next update. Thanks for watching.